Hello everyone, we are in Koss, Texas. This is the downtown. And I'm starting at the railroad tracks, which has an interesting land marker that says this was in part constructed by Chinese laborers back in the day, in the 1870s. So very interesting. And there is the tower. Here you go. Eat beef. The West wasn't one on salad. I totally agree. But sometimes you just want a Caesar salad. Sometimes you want the greens. Look at this good old building. And this is Branded Market Coffee Bar. And this is the Bassett Building. Or is this Bassett Street? I think this is the Bassett Building. W.F. Bassett built this building. I'm guessing 1920s, but who knows? Could be the teens. And I bet, well, this looks like a renovation. Okay. And look at this beautiful building. This is the city hall, looks like. Take a look at these cast iron columns. Beautiful cast iron columns. No maker mark on it, unfortunately. Okay. You got the bank. You got some yard art going on right here. I used to love those when I was a kid. And yep, I knew it. Here's the post office. I always like to get a picture of these post offices. Let's look around some more. Alright. I spot the hardware store. So you got things done. White's Hardware, and they laid the pipe at White's Hardware. Look at these pews, these old seats. You can sit and have a cigarette if you want. Looks like that's being used. Maybe it's a senior citizen. Oh no, this is a state building. I don't know. Here's the antique mall, Koss Collectibles. Look at that. And look at this building right here. This is a very out of place, but you know what? It's fine. Is this a bar? Main on 7. Oh, it looks like a barber shop. Maybe you get your hair cut and get a margarita afterwards. And there's the lodge. Okay, let's keep on walking. Get another look at that haircut slash margarita bar. All right. In the distance, you see a First Baptist Church. Very interesting architecture. Looks very old. It's always great to see these old wood buildings survive because they always burn down because of the faulty wiring. You know, the wiring gets old, and so I'm glad to see them survive and thrive. Hopefully they redid all the wiring. I know it's expensive, but you gotta do it. But look at this beautiful church. Wow. Look at that. Steeple and architecture is really nice. They even got a digital sign. They are in the 21st century. First Baptist Church in 1870. They got a bell. Here's the rest of the church buildings. I think we have seen the entirety of Kosse Texas. Nice little quaint town of 400 people, I believe, and I'm sure everybody who lives here is very proud of their town, and I am too. And I'd like to thank everybody for walking around with me today. There'll be another adventure soon. And remember, you're all dearly loved. See the train tracks? No train depot though. Bummer.